Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Now, if you look at the weekly, we fell below the 20 EMA on the weekly and came down to the 50 EMA just as I predicted. Now, it's not a surprise that at the 50 EMA we bounced back. We tried to break down, you can see this week, but we bounced back. The question is, where will this weekly candle close? My guess is that it will close below the 50 EMA, but it still remains to be seen because we had a big bounce today. Let's go over to the daily. So the reason I think it will go down again is because we have this head and shoulder pattern here, and the head and shoulder pattern formation hasn't finished yet. Let's be conservative and let's just put the neckline to the bodies of the candle somewhere there, and let's just measure the bodies to have a price target that we hope will be hit like this. And then let me measure, let's put it right here somewhere, the breakout point, and even so it's 5.8 and 5.8 hasn't been hit. So I think we will continue this move to the downside, and the reason we bounced back up is because on the 4-hour chart, if we look at the 4-hour chart, here we go. On the 4-hour chart, we can see a W pattern, and if you measure, I just want to make sure that yeah, if you measure and I actually measured, of course, for myself, if you measure the price target out of this W pattern, let me measure it from the top to the bottom. Oops, what happened here? Something like that. Yes. And now there's something wrong here. Okay, there it is. Can I measure it? Let me see. Oops, so there's something wrong now with this tool, but let me try to measure it. Let's put it there. It has already been hit, so there's no reason to go any higher. But because on the 4-hour chart we are above the 20 EMA, I think we could even touch the 50 EMA at around 6.96. Are we going to break above 7? I'm not sure about that. We could even turn around this area here. No reason to go any further up. So, well, I expect the market to turn around and continue this downward trend because my price target hasn't been hit yet. So, yeah, let's go over to oil and see what's going on there. Let me see. So this is oil. This is the 4-hour chart on oil, and 4-hour chart probably we don't need the 4-hour chart, but yeah, on the 4-hour chart you can see this W pattern can be measured. Let me just measure it because it was hit. The price target out of this W pattern was hit. In fact, this could have meant that we arrived at the bottom just for now. So let me measure from the top to the bottom. Here we go. And let me put it up there. And then we turn bullish. Yeah, it was hit. Let's go back to the daily chart, because on the daily we also see a W pattern, and I think it hasn't been hit yet. So here, this is a big W pattern. I measured it, and this is the price target. The price target is actually at around 88.16. So I guess my guess is that we are going there and we are going to touch the 50-day EMA. We broke above the 20-day EMA, and I think we will touch this area and probably turn around because my price target hasn't been hit yet. Let's go over to the weekly. This M pattern, we have this M pattern here, this big M pattern. We have had that for ages, and if I only count the candles, the bodies of the candles, even so 72.3 is the target. So I don't think, and weekly is 50 EMA, and the 20 EMA is coming down. They might cross, but no, so it's not a surprise we have this green candle, because on the weekly we are still bullish. Anytime we can have a bull run to a certain level, of course. I'm not sure if it will break above the 50 EMA, but we have this bull run, and we can look for a turnaround. But I guess my guess is that we would come to at least $88 level. That's all for now. See you next time.